needs to get put up. Maybe just say something else so that if the prosecution are responding, they respond with facts.
Yeah,
Yes.
very well.
Senior.
Your Honor, I heard it from the arresting officer yesterday that Mr. Tuju was not under arrest. That was the basis on which I actually volunteered to take him to the current police station. We concede that you have jurisdiction.
Oh, you do?
Yes, we concede. That's why we are here. And we respect our courts of justice. But you know, we also, because you have that jurisdiction, we want to urge that you order that if indeed Mr. Tuju is under arrest, contrary to what I was told by the arresting officer, that you order that he be released forthwith. And my learned friend said that the issues are made up from the bar. I can tell her as senior counsel I intend to write strongly on what I personally witnessed as a member of the senior bar, the brutality by the police against, until now, an innocent Kenyan. So, Article 49, Your Honor, is clearly brought before you. Article 49 of the Constitution, the right of an arrested person. That even if that's so, we invite you, Your Honor, to order that if they insist he's arrested, that he be released on bond or bail on reasonable conditions pending the charge. Our submission before you, Your Honor, is no charge before you. You have jurisdiction, yes, but there is no charge before you. In order to facilitate Mr. Tuju's quick improvement recovery, Your Honor, I invite you to order that he be given medical treatment without the presence of the police.
Are they with him as we speak?
He is under arrest. My friend actually confirms. Thank you.